Once considered one of the most dangerous communities in St. Catherine due to gang violence, De La Vega City in Spanish Town is now showing signs of transformation. Members of the Jamaica Constabulary Force along with stakeholders toured the area recently. Shamela Pullen reports.
De La Vega City in Spanish Town, St. Catherine was once notorious for violent crimes. Shootings and murders were the order of the day. The intensity of gang activity left many residents gripped by fear, and outsiders were hesitant to enter the community. But now, things have changed.
The amount of crime, violence that was taking place years ago, I can relate to all of that. We have all preached the funerals, buried the dead. We have all had to deal with church lockdown sometimes, etc. But the good thing is that all of that has changed.
St. Catherine North, for example, the development of businesses have escalated, exponentially. As you can see, the businesses that are coming through here, the Grace Kennedys, the Caramids, the Popeyes, and all the other businesses that come, it speaks to the fact that economically, St. Catherine and Spanish Town is very, very, very viable.
So far this year, the community has recorded only one murder. The police, however, explained it did not generate from within the area.
De La Vega was once, was rated in one of the, was in the red for a long time, and it reached orange, and now we can safely say it is in the yellow, meaning that is next to green.
Local churches and shops are once again thriving, as residents say they feel safer and more hopeful.
Churches are booming. One time, church attendance was so down.
People are afraid.
People are afraid to come into the community. But now, we're seeing a level of transformation
People
where
from all
attendance
levels.
is concerned in our churches.
Do you still have night service?
Oh yes. We still have night service. Right now we're having crusades in White Mall. People from everywhere are coming.
And we just concluded night meetings in Old Road. That is in the Thompson area, which is a hotter bed on the scale of the police record now than De La Vega
it's not
City.
only De La Vega City that is being transformed. The entire Spanish Town community.
The police say they remain committed to monitoring the space to maintain peace and ensure that the positive momentum continues.
St. Catherine North traditionally has had its fair share of criminal activities, and I think the citizens have, most of them, enough. I think they have said enough is enough, and they are willing to turn a new page.
Shamela Pullen, TVJ News.
Coming up later in this newscast, Iran fires missiles at a U.S.-run airbase in Qatar. We'll be right back.